The circle below has a diameter of 10 centimeters. Okay, underline that information, and a regular hexagon is inscribed. That means that's inside the circle, and all the vertices touch the circle. Now, when I created this figure, couldn't get these two vertices to get close to that circle, but I want you to know that this is supposed to be touching the circles here. Okay, so this is inscribed. We have an apothem. Let's go ahead and make a note here that we know the apothem is 4. Underline that. Okay, and each side is 6. Okay, and so the perimeter, we can go ahead, we should be thinking like that. If not, okay, you need to go to the formula, right, and you want to write this down. We know the circle is pi r squared. Subtract the 1/2 AP. At this time, you need to be thinking, okay, what are my variables? By now, you should know that we need the apothem and the perimeter for the regular pentagon. So I had that already in my mind I needed to get. And each side is 6, and there's 6 sides. So 6 times 6, that equals 36. Okay, now let's go down here to the figure here. We've got our formulas, right? We go to the center and we draw in our apothem. Remember, do not go past this side. That must stop and be perpendicular to this piece. Okay, now here's the radius. This is what comes in because that's what's touching the circle. And we know the apothem is 4. We know one side is 6. I'm putting this information on the diagram, and I know that all of these sides are equal. Okay, so take 6, divide by 2. That equals 3. That goes here. So this is the length from here to here is 3. Now, we don't need to do trig. You should know now when to use trig and when not to use it. I don't need trig here because I know 2 sides of a right triangle. I can take, now this is my R. Okay, I need that. Remember, this piece here represents many different things. In this case, at this point in time, okay, we know it's C. We already got that established a long time ago with Pythagorean theorem. But now I'm going to let C be R here because that's my radius. So R is going to equal to, and remember, if you know the legs of a right triangle and you're trying to find C, you square them and add them. So that's 4 squared plus 3 squared. Okay. All right, get that square root symbol looking good. And this will produce a radius of 5. Let me put that here. And I'll put that here. Radius is equal to 5. Now I can go to my formula and start plugging in everything. I know my radius, I know the apothem, and the perimeter. Okay? So you must use all of pi here because there's nothing in the reading about letting pi be 3.14. It doesn't say anything about it. That means we must use it, all of it. So this is radius 5 squared minus 0.5 times 4 times 36. Okay. Get that, put in the calculator. Finish number 5.